Good morning, dear aspirant. To start with today's news, GST collection reaches record high, all-time high in April 2025. So, one nation, one tax, which is GST. So, it is a indirect tax levied on most of the GST sold in India. It is based on the VAT previously, and it is paid by the consumer, and it is remitted to the government by the business selling the goods and service. It has subsumed and replaced various indirect taxes that were previously levied by the central and state governments. So, in 2003, Kelkar Committee mentioned the comprehensive GST, which is based on the principle of value-added tax, with an intention to do away with multiple indirect taxes and have a one nation, one tax system. Finally, the goods and service tax was introduced and enforced across the country on 1st July 2017. So, in 2006 to 7, the budget speech was also proposed, and finally Constitution 126 Amendment Bill was passed as the Constitution 101 Amendment Act in 2016. So, PM Modi champions orange economy. Create in India, create for the world. PM Modi urged global companies to create in India, create for the world, asserting that India is evolving as an orange economy driven by culture, creativity and content. So, Indian content is gaining global acceptance. The WAVE Summit 2025 is a global platform that showcase India's creative potential in the audio, visual and entertainment sectors. Over 90 countries participated, including media icons, and the PM stressed on responsible creativity. So, WAVE's Summit is actually a global summit for the media and entertainment, and the summit aims to bring together the industry leaders, stakeholders and innovators to address challenges, explore prospects. Creative economy, which is an orange economy, that is a knowledge-based sector, creation, production and distribution of creative goods. Diverse industries like advertising, architecture, arts, fashion, film, music, photography. India's creative industry valued at $30 billion. Willingham Port set to boost South Asia's maritime trade. So, PM inaugurated Willingham International Seaport, which is Kerala's first deep water transshipment terminal. The port features an AI-driven control room and advanced vessel traffic management system. So, transshipment deep water seaport is a port that can handle large ships that carry cargo from one place to another, and it has a deep water channel and a large berth area for loading and unloading goods. Willingham International Seaport Project, that is a government initiative, which is an ambitious project taken by the government of Kerala. The port is currently being developed with the public-private partnerships, and it is strategically situated near Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. So, reviving a far-sighted but forgotten will mechanism. So, it allowed non-minister MPs to introduce legislation. Only 14 have become law since independence. Private member bill are proposed by MPs who are not ministers and who is not part of the government, allowing them to also introduce laws or amendments. Example is Kamath, who is actually, this bill is introduced by H.V. Kamath after the death of PM Lal Bahadur Shastri. Try to answer this question. What is the significance of Willingham Port in enhancing India's maritime trade competitiveness? Discuss the technological and geopolitical advantages it offers. Thank you. Have a great day.